day, everyone. Uh, this Today is 18th October 2024 Europe session. Okay, thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Okay, do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade before you put in your trade. Okay, with that, we move on to the live session, and just a minute. Just 1 minute. Let me change the screen. Sorry. Okay. Okay, the key important data tonight, in fact, uh, the pound retail sales came out to be very strong. The forecast was negative 0.4, but actually it came out to be 0.3. And as a result, pound spiked up. Okay, and do take note that the pound, I think we have already seen the base on the pound. Okay, we have seen the base on the pound, and we should be looking to buy and hold, because after this data was out, okay, then we try not to um, um, go for a sell. I mean, if we go for a sell, then we have to be a quick sell. Okay, so we have sentiment has changed on the pound, so just closely follow our signals. And tonight, I think 2030 we have 2030 hours, we have USD building permits. Okay, none other data that is important. So and also what we feel is, the market has, in fact, gold is making highs, and we also need to concentrate on gold, pound, and one more currency I felt that has already bottomed is, I think it's Aussie, if I'm not mistaken. Aussie, Aussie pound. This two has already turned up. Okay, so we got to try to buy and hold for Aussie and pound. Okay, the gold as also is making highs, haven't reversed yet, so that one also we need to pay attention. Okay, and we have put in some trades. Okay, let me see what trades. Okay, we are I think dollar yen just now, this order was filled 150005. This order was filled, and we are into that trade. Okay, this is okay because I got filled in my life account. So so then pound Swiss and pound yen. Okay, pound yen, I think we didn't get filled. Pound also we didn't get filled. Okay, we didn't get filled. So as of now, I think we are only holding dollar yen, and we are trying to buy gold. Okay, trying to buy gold. Okay, we see one more leg down. Then after that, I think we should be looking to go for a buy on the gold. So let's go into the session, and let's concentrate on pound and Aussie and gold. Okay, as of now, the rest all is going to be in a range trade, so we don't expect any big move. Okay, the pound, the daily is up. Okay, the daily is up. 360 is up, 720 is and up all, and only that 15 minute, the 30 minutes, 60 minutes is all lacking strength. Okay, so and also we need to see what is the PT zones is telling. Okay, PT zones, we look into pound. Okay, we are seeing strength on the daily and 360, 720 is flat. Weekly, that barrier, the weekly SR1 has to clear. Okay, if it clears, then it may be moving higher. Okay, so we need to know the daily RR2 and weekly SR1. Okay, these two levels. If we are able to get these levels, then we can be pretty sure whether the market has already turned or not. So, by coming to the dashboard, okay, dashboard, if we feel that the current day low 13005 is higher than yesterday's low, and current high is higher than yesterday's high. Okay, so that is an indication that this market has already turned up. Okay, and also we have a 360 low which is 3015, and 360 high is 13070. So before we go further, we need to know what are the two levels. Remember, I told you we need to know what is daily RR2, which is 13080. So the market has to close above this. Then we, for sure, we know that this market has already hit the bottom, and we are trying to see the price moving higher. And your previous week, weekly SR1, which is 13100. So 13100, 13120. Okay, these are the two levels we need to closely monitor. Okay, so as as so far as we are concerned, once that 13120, the market closes above this level, then this market is an uptrend on the hourly and daily. We should be looking to buy and hold, and we try to make more profit other than that. So now our bias should be more on buying side rather than selling side, because the trend has already reversed. Okay, so to do a confirmation, what we can do is we have to tally it with the chart. That means see whether this thing agrees. Okay, in fact 13120, okay, 131, the system says 13120 is somewhere here. Okay, 13120. So what we feel is this market, yeah, we need to see the price pushing higher, then eventually coming down a bit, then we turn up, then only that would be a healthy signal of market reversing. So if we look at the 360, market is already starting. Okay, all the conditions are met. Okay, meaning all the conditions are met for a base. So there is a very high chance that excuse me, we have seen the low. So now we need to go for a buy and exit before 131 or 13120. I think that's what we are trying to do. Okay, we are trying to buy at 13045. Okay, 13045 should be a good buying level. So momentum, I think we are trying to buy at 13045, and we're trying to exit at 13085. So we can exit at 13085 or higher, 131. Okay, so what we need to do is, the only difference is we need to extend the time. Okay, we have given expiry is until 17, so now we raise it to 1830. Then remember, we said that the pound, we expect the market to see 13120, 30 need to break, then only we know for sure that this is in an uptrend. Okay, so now when we look into the swing trading, I think we have a selling signal at 13120. So this is all still valid. Okay, the only difference is if we are selling at 13120, since the market is already turning up, we don't expect the price to reach uh, uh, below 130. So the target we have to revise it to 65. Okay, so this trade is still good and valid. So we try to go for these two trades. Try to buy pound, and we are also having a daily signal which is a buying at 130.10. If you get it, I mean, of course we will take it, otherwise there's no harm. So now what I need you guys to do is have a focus on the pound pound instrument. Okay, what we need to do is, okay, now as of now, okay, we look into this. Okay, this is down on the this is on the range. The time control is 2 hours, and this is range on the 2 hours. So we should not see the price moving below 130.40 or 130.30. So anywhere below, we should be trying to get this trade. So now what we should be doing is we try to buy at 130.45. Then we the next time back we should see the price moving higher. So this is just a correction, and this is only valid for another 45 minutes. So this, after that we should be seeing the correction up, then we should see the price moving higher. Okay, so this trade I think is viable, and we can hold on to that trade. Okay, now next we can also, since pound has already turned up, then we try to go for pound yen also to go for a buy. Okay, and the good level should be, I think we have indicated buying at 75. Okay, we have indicated buying at 75. Let me see. Okay, so that we can, or we may get it cheaper. Okay, what we can do is, maybe we try to lower it to 60. Okay, we try to lower it to 60, um, 60, 60, and let me change that. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I think we can get it cheaper, so we try to get it 60, and 30 stop, and 63 66 196.30 as target. So this is for pound yen. Okay, so, and one more thing is the expiry. Sorry, this expiry I think we have given until 5. I think we can raise it to 1900 hours. Okay, another 3 hours we can give this trade. Okay, so this would be the another trade which we are looking for. Okay, we're trying to buy pound, then pound yen. Okay, we try to go for a pound yen buy, and pound Swiss. Okay, pound Swiss, also see whether we can get it cheaper. Okay, I think the one also we can go down by another 10 more pips. So we'll try to go at 112.90, and the stop at 65, and TP. And again, this one expiry, we give time another 2 hours extra. Okay, so this one also we can go for this trade, pound Swiss also. So pound yen trying to buy, pound trying to buy, and dollar yen we are already into the trade and we hold this trade. Okay. So now what what is the other one was Aussie dollar. Okay, let's go and see Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, if we look into the Aussie cross, okay, the is trading above yesterday's, is trading above yesterday's high, and the strength we are seeing on the 12-hour chart and on the 360 there isn't much strength, and 120 is all flat. So I don't think we need to be in a hurry to take this trade. Okay, but again, when we look into the Aussie crosses, okay, we see how many crosses are supporting it. Okay, if you look at it, Aussie, okay, this Aussie is strong against the dollar, strong against the euro, okay, flat against the pound, and strong against the yen, strong against the Swiss, CAT, and New Zealand, okay, Kiwi, okay, all this. So I think this is also a good trade to focus and good trade to concentrate. So now what we would be doing is, okay, we should be looking to go for a buy on this. Okay, then again we see the PT zones. Okay, this is Aussie. This is showing strength on all these crosses. Aussie and Aussie Swiss, Aussie Cat, Aussie Sing and all, overall. So there is no buying force, sorry, selling force. So all, is good to go, right? So now with that, I think we can go into this trade. Okay, so right now, in fact, market opened at 66.95, and yesterday's low was 66.60, and today's low is 66.90. So we should be seeing the low. We should be seeing the low somewhere in between 66.60 and maybe 66.90. I'm not sure whether 66.90 is the low. So if that tends to be the low, then of course we need to see the 67.20 and 67.50 to break. Okay, break and go higher. So if we look into daily, I think it has already taken support at 66.85, and 67.50 is the key level. So if it breaks that level, then we can confirm that this is seen the low. Otherwise, this can be seen. Okay, looking into the chart. Okay, I think 67.60 is a valid level. That means, until it clears 67.60, this market doesn't tell you that this has already seen the base. So what we will try to do is we'll try to buy at 66.90.95 and exit before 40. So we'll try to exit before 40. Okay, so let's see any orders on Aussie. Okay, we have a buying order on the day trading, okay, which is 66.75, and expiry is 18:30. I think the one we can still let it work. Okay, that means extend it to 23:30. So this one, the time we extend it to until tonight, because this we feel that this base has seen, and there is a high chance that this market is going to test 67.40. Then what we can do is we can go for a momentum trade. Okay, we can go for a momentum trade at 66.95. Okay, 66.95. Let me check. Maybe 67, because I don't want to miss it. Okay, 67. Stop 30 and TP at 67, 50 or 45. And this one we will give until 20 hours. That means another for 3 to 4 hours for this trade to work. So you uh, just follow, I mean, how the system is. See, we are trying to uh, get into the market with a precise entry levels, at the same time, a specific time which the price is expected to touch it. Then this trade would become a good trade to consider, right? So this one, I think we are okay with it. Now we'll try to do one more uh, Aussie cross. Okay, Aussie cross. Uh, just now we were looking at okay. So here we are seeing Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, Aussie Swiss. Okay, let's see. We go into the dashboard whether we get any clue. Okay, when we look into this Aussie cross, just pay attention to the high and low of the uh, currencies. Then we can get, so like Euro Aussie, we have a 50 pips move. Pound Aussie, we have about 85 pips move. Aussie yen has got 50, and Aussie Swiss is only 30. Aussie CAD is only 40. Aussie New Zealand is 40, and Aussie Swing is not. This is about 40. So that means we can trade Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, and Aussie yen. Okay, any one of these three. Okay, maybe Euro Aussie. So maybe let's do Euro Aussie. Okay, Euro Aussie right now is 61.50, and the low is 61.35, which is also current week low. Okay, and if we see below 161.70, the price is expected to move lower. The next support is 16115 and 16090. Okay, so these are the next key levels of support. Okay, let's see Euro Aussie. Yeah, we have on the weekly. Yeah, maximum is 6090 or 50. Okay, so now let's see. We try to look for Euro Aussie. Okay, right now this is trading around this level. We expect 60, 90, 6115. So what we can do is we can try to sell at 80, 6180, stop 6210, and TP 6120 or 25. So we want to just exit before that level. Okay, so I think this one we will do as a scalping trade, because this is all within the range. So this one valid, we can put 80, 30 pips, so we can give until 20, 100 hours. Okay, so I think we have more or less the trades. Okay, Aussie, gold, yen, pound yen. Okay, pound yen we have a selling at 196.80. Okay, the one I think we'll try to increase the time. This one will give until 2030. Uh, 60 Aussie. Okay, gold. Later we'll discuss on gold. Pound Swiss, pound, dollar cat. Dollar cat we try to sell at 38.20. Okay, I think the one also we can extend it to 20, 100 hours. Okay, pound buying. Okay, dollar Swiss. We have a buy. Okay, the one is okay. 1630. Dollar yen buy. I think this one we missed it. I think just now the low was 14975. Okay, we missed it. We should have entered slightly earlier. So this trade we missed it. Okay, then the euro dollar, let it be as it is. Okay, then what we will do is finally we uh, we will look on the gold and discuss. Okay, by the way, I just want to sorry, yeah, I just want to share my screen because I don't know how many of you uh, have registered and have got the free uh, the services. Can we try to just give me a minute? So, what we got to do is you write to us once we you get into log into our system. You write to us to see and we can extend our services. Okay, I'm not sure how many of you are really looking at it, or maybe you felt that this website is too complicated or not. So please try to register, and once you register, you got to write to us. Then we will tell. I mean, we need to give you points for you to redeem. Then only you can get all the signals. So if you are just registered and you don't be interactive, I don't think you would find the website as useful or what you see, because there's a website has got a lot of um, so-called lot of informations there, on the website. See, like for instance, like when we get signals, you go into the signals, it will tell you what are the signals we have given live. Then all the signals, whatever you can see, what we are sending you, you would be getting it instantaneously. And also there is a voice over.
This is a sound test from Precise Trader.
So the thing will give you an alert, okay, meaning whenever the price is order get filled, whether get stopped out, or whether it's like the trade cancel, all this. So it's a very interactive website. So I'm not sure, because I'm not sure how many of you are really using it. See, whatever the signals we generate, okay, like just now we adjusted. So you say, you'll get amendment. That means straight away you said that, okay, we have amended this time, so at least you can follow. And there are a lot of things in the website, the dashboard, the dashboard, what I've been sharing with you on the Excel, my own sheet. All this, you can see it and you can trade. So I'm not sure. That's why I said I'm not sure how many of you have really. I know there is a lot of people, they're trying to register. They're trying to register, and they are. Of course, uh, when you register, please try to give your information correctly. If you give a false information, then sometimes it will just kick you out and it doesn't allow you to come back again. So, but if you have any issues, you can always write to us. We would definitely, we will look into this, and definitely we would be sharing with you. So all these things, what you see on this, you can see, and you can get it all live, and it's all free. Okay. So like, see, what you see on the dashboard on our Excel is the same thing. The same thing will tell you, and of course we will teach you how to use it, and how to trade with confidence. That means, like, for instance, if you get stopped out, then the system, of course, will help you to do a re-entry. So this is something I just want to share with you, because I keep forgetting, and I just want to see. Okay. So anyway, coming back to our session, I think now we are doing gold. Okay, maybe I can just do gold from here itself. Uh, let's see. Okay, right now the gold is trading at 2703. Okay, 27034. So all these are live. So we should be looking to see the price holds at 2701. If it breaks, then let's see, we see the daily. Okay, 2701. Once it breaks, okay, now we see here there is a strong support at 2693. Okay, that is a strong support. So all this informations, of course, we will be teaching you how to use it, and we will be guiding you. But of course, you have to be interactive with us. You need to communicate with us to see, because I tell you, this website is far more uh, complex than you think. At the same time, it's very user friendly, and especially when you learn how to use it, then it is very user friendly, and you can just do your things. So for today, as of today, see, once the market is, right now this is testing the support, so we don't see the price going below 2693, and tonight we should see the price testing the 2714. Of course, if it breaks, then it can go higher towards 17 half, 23, and the next one is about 30, 35. Okay, we will be teaching you how to use this as well. Okay, so anyway, coming to the gold. Okay, now uh, we want to, let's say we want to go for a buy. Okay, we go for a buy. we we need to see what is the support time. The time, meaning uh, uh, what time can we look at. So here, if you excuse me. So if you see, the support is 4 hour chart. Okay, 4 hour and 6 hours. Right now this is coming down, so there is a strong support at 6 hour chart. So 6 hours, 12 hours, of course daily is in an uptrend. Daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, all on uptrend. So we need to look at the 360 low to go for a buy. I mean, this that's how the system is. It will just tell you straight on to the point, and you don't have to go run around and do a lot of things. So we just have to wait. So now, if you ask me what is the 360 low, the dashboard would also give you. Okay, that means your 360, your previous low, and current. Yeah, see, the 2691 half is where the maximum you see the price should be going. Okay, let's say I show you the 360 chart. So you see right now your 360 is down. So the market should start to turn up either before 2697 or 2691 half, and you have another 2.5 hours left on this down move. So you see, it gives you a lot of information. So that means, like, what I'm trying to say is the down leg or the down move should last for another 2 hours 30 minutes, and the market should turn up either at or before, okay, at 2697 or 2691 half. So when we look into your chart, okay, we don't have to be in a hurry to go for a buy, and like what the system said, okay, I'll give. And you see here, when we plot on the chart, your 2697 is here, and if it's going to go on extension, perfect, you see about 2692. So the market now is coming down. It should start to turn up anywhere either at this level or before this level, any one of these three levels, this one and this one, or it may turn. So we just have to just concentrate and try to get on the move. So looking at this, I have 2.5 hours left. So most likely I may want to buy near 95 or 93. So this is where I want to take a buy, and I believe we have given that signal. Okay, yeah, can you see we have a buy at 2695 and stop at 2690, and we want to exit at 2713. So that's why if you look into the system, uh, like as I told you, the system would do majority of the work. That means, like, when to buy, where to buy, what to buy, all the informations. You have to, I mean, if you really have this knowledge on the chart, then what you got to do is you got to just sit in front of the screen and try to get into the trade. So now gold, I don't want to buy. There's two conditions. One is I don't want to buy before 2695. Okay, that's one, condition one. Second condition is I don't want to buy before 1900 hours. Okay, so this two. So when we take this two into consideration, you can never go wrong. Okay, you can never go wrong. So we are giving you the time as well as the entry point. So of course, the third option is, if let's say both the condition didn't meet, that means the price doesn't give you so-called doesn't touch this level, and the time also is finished. Then the third condition is once the price breaks this level, this high, then we know that a base is seen. So this is the third condition. So when we see all these three conditions, when to buy, when, that means time, I'm giving you about 2.5 hours time, where is the level which is 2695, and this two doesn't meet, then if the price starts to turn up 2705, then there is a very high likely chance that this market has seen the low. But of course, if it goes lower, this level also will come lower. So the one also we need to tell you. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I'm sharing the wrong chart. Okay, so I'm sharing the wrong screen. Okay. So we'll try. I mean, we'll just monitor this trade. Then we will see uh, when the market turns. Then we go for a buy. But stay focused on 2695. Anywhere below 27 should be a good buy or good levels to buy and look at it. So the next spike, we can see, the price testing the high, which is 2713, and if it breaks, then we may see the price moving higher. Okay, so that is it for gold, and I think the signals also we have done more or less, most likely. So see, the dollar yen is coming off. Okay, let's see. Okay, the dollar yen, I think we are seeing a failure. So most likely, we should see the price coming off towards 49.60. Okay, 49.60 or 49.55. So on that note, I think our current trade, we should be trying to close it. Close it. Okay, let me tell you. I mean, this is how you take decision. Okay, this is how you take your decision when you are sitting in front of the screen. Don't get, don't lose your money unnecessarily, because this was expected. So we try to try to close it, because this market is a failure, and it's going to see the price moving lower. Okay, because it failed. It failed. So we can see the price going lower. So try to close it. Try to close it at 90 or 95 Aussie yen. See, the moment you are sitting in front of a screen, see here, you are sitting in front of the screen. You see, this is dollar yen, and we believe that this was the low, and we expected the price to push higher. But what happened was it failed. Okay, it failed, and it came off. It came off. So right now,
Trade amended.
looks like,
Trade order failed.
you see, you're getting that message from the system. Just now I gave an amendment. Okay, now hold on a minute. The pound yen, I think that one also, I think we need to lower it a bit. Okay, but anyway, I think the pound yen, because the pound might give a support. Okay, pound, and we only have 15 minutes left. Okay, we'll try to see these two trades. Let's say the pound yen and pound, let it work. But the dollar yen, we try to close it. Okay, try to close it, and we see. Okay, so I hope you understand how our system works. It's just that you just have to sit in front, especially when you feel that, okay, this is you are I mean, you are not in the control, or the market is not giving you a favorable answer. Then try to close it and try to do a re-entry, and that is what is needed when you sit in front of the screen. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. And we have one more session again, about 2,000 hours. And thank you for giving your support. And once again, if you feel that, okay, our system is useful and effective, okay, just give a like and subscribe to our services. And also, please recommend your friends. If you feel that, okay, this is worth considering, and this is something to look for. Okay. Thank you, and I'll see you again in the another 5 6 hours time. I was sorry, 3 hours time, three and hours, 15 hours. Okay. Thank you. Bye.